Hey guys, it's Caleb Pickett with MarineMax here on Lake Wylie. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 Harris Cruiser 230. So this boat is powered with a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. You got a bimini top to keep you out of the sun, keep you comfortable. You got seating here in the back as well as in here in the cockpit. You have a bench seat here with a full lounger here as well. At the helm, you got a touchscreen SIMRAD with maps included. You got a throttle, you got your throttle here, easy access to switches, and your audio control here. Under here, you've got more room for any kind of storage. And one nice thing is under this spot right there, you got a trash receptacle. So if you're out with, you need to throw bottles away, cans, whatever you need, you got a place for it. And up here, you got super spacious bow, tons of room for family, friends, whoever you got on board. So yeah guys, this has been a 2024 Harris 230 Cruiser. If you want to come check out some more options, come by our showroom. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks guys.